Good evening, everybody. This is a Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist, and today we're making another balloon twisting tutorial. This one's going to be for the good dinosaur or Littlefoot. So we're making a long neck dinosaur. We're going to need green and white. Those are the only two colors you need. If you want, you can have a black marker for drawing the eyes. But I don't usually draw on my designs when I'm in public. I don't like carrying the markers because kids love to take them. So we're going to get started. Again, I'm going to use the white and the dark green Qualitex. So let's get started. With the white one, you're only going to use 2 bubbles out of it, so you don't have to blow it up all the way. Just blow it up big enough to get 2 hand-sized bubbles out of it. With your green ones, you can go right at 5 to 7 off the nipple, like always. Then you're going to squeeze it down, and I'm going to try and stay in the picture as much as possible. My camera's a little higher than normal, so I'm going to try and keep it in the picture. And we're going to start out with our open hand-sized bubbles, so it's approximately 6 fingers in size. And then we're going to lock twist this together. And those are going to be his eyes. A lot of people can do this one. They make their regular T-Rex or anything, but the only difference between this one and the long neck that I'm making is the difference in the jaw structure, so it won't have the teeth. Okay, as you can see, it's equal size hand size bubble. We're gonna feed it through, and then we're gonna pull that right up and lock twist it together. And that's going to create the back of his head. So now we have the back of his head. Okay, so you should have 2 white on the front, 2 green on the back. And we're going to make what is about a 4-finger, 5-finger pedal twist. And then I'm just going to put an ear twist right here on the back. Okay, I dropped it out of the picture to make the pedal twist or the ear twist, so you can put 1 or 2. I do like when it has nothing really to support it, to add an extra one, but we're going to do it without. We're going to take off the white balloon. Like always, leave yourself a little extra. If your design doesn't set right, you can always add an extra ear twist back there. It's not going to hurt it one way or the other. And that is the basis of our good dinosaur, is that we have a little extra, and then all you do is you decide how you want his neck to bend. I like it to go a little forward and a little back, so that it gives him a little bit of style to it. And then what you want to do is you want to add an ear twist right here at the bottom. Okay, so that would be your basis for your long neck dinosaur. Okay, next we need to create his body. His body is made really simply, just like if you've seen my Eeyore or any of my other ones, like the cow. I don't think I ever posted that one, but really simple. 5 to 7 off the nipples. And if you've seen my dragons, they use the same body. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go about a 3-finger pedal twist. followed by an ear twist, followed by a hand-sized bubble, followed by a pinch twist, followed by a 2-finger bubble. And this is where you're gonna lock on to your head. So now you have one leg, and this is gonna be your body. And your body can be as long as you want it to be, but since his neck is so far out the front, I want to kind of even out his body. I'm gonna go what is 2 open hand-sized bubbles, so it's approximately turn up 12 fingers in length. And we're gonna make an ear twist. Now, depending on what you want to do, you can either make another leg out of this bubble if you still have extra room, or you can just go back and complete one more bubble and call that one done. Okay. And thus is the start of our body. So next we need to create another leg. 3-finger bubble, or 3-finger pedal twist, sorry. Ear twist. Hand size to a pinch twist. 2-finger bubble. Going across the back. Around that ear twist. Followed by a 2-finger pinch twist. Followed by a hand side bubble, followed by a 3-finger pedal twist, followed by an ear twist, followed by break off the rest. Okay, so now we have 3 legs and part of our body and our head. Okay. Next, what we need to do is we need to add a tail. We need to add the rest of his body, and we also need to add a leg. And we're going to take off these extra pieces off the front. With that said, there's 1. Two. Okay, and let's continue. We need 1 more leg, more body, and a tail. Okay, so we'll start with the leg. We'll go 3-finger pedal twist, ear twist, hand size to a pinch twist, 2-finger to the twist, and then we're going to tie it on. Now we have all 4 of our legs. Next we're going to run across the body again. And depending on how thick you want your body to be, you could actually call this done. Because you have enough to make a tail out of this balloon, and the body only has to be big enough so that the dinosaur supports it. So with 3 bubbles, if you wanted, as you can see, it would be just fine with just the 3 bubbles for the body. And then position this ear twist out the back. And you could have his tail up, down, left, right, but I like to crimp mine down. So it's about 2 fingers to a pinch twist, followed by about a hand-sized bubble to a pinch twist. And then you can kind of curl the end of his tail so that it kind of comes back up. And that would be the good dinosaur without the extra bubbles on the body, but I like more more bulk to my body, so we're gonna use another green one, and I'm gonna add 2 more body runs. Okay. And like always, don't force the balloons in here, just nice, tuck, easy, roll your balloon. Okay? And then with that said, I want it to go the length of his body. And one more time, come back across the front. And break off the extra. Okay. Turn. And voila, one good dinosaur, simple, easy, fast to make. Again, you can add a lower jaw if you want. You don't have to. In the good dinosaur, if you look at the pictures, you can't tell that he has a lower jaw. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Let me know if there's something you would actually like to see me make. Okay? So, one good dinosaur. Simple, easy. Have fun and enjoy. Be safe till next time.